in our chapter 5 derivative related our exercise 5.3. Students, in exercise 5.3 till up to 13 numerical already I explained in the previous part. So today I am going to most IMP questions. Question number 14. Yes students, it is a IMP for 3 marks. So I highlight first in IMP list. Question is sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square in the conditions. Find out dy by dx. So this question already done in your second chapter. I hope you know that. So according to this, I just assumptions. Suppose x is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse x, where theta belongs to our range minus 90 to 90. So y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta. Just by putting the value, students, 1 minus sin square theta. So what you getting? Yes, it is 2 sin theta. Here under root cos square theta. Now turn to this cos square. I just check out, students, in your range. This is your range minus 90 to 90. They cover all as TC wise. First either fourth quadrant, and first and fourth quadrant cos theta definitely positive, students. Yes, that's why under root cos square theta. I just tell that only cos theta. You don't write down here minus cos theta. Because of first and fourth quadrant, according to condition wise, it is positive. So y is running sin inverse 2 sin theta and cos theta. And that also I think you know that it is sin 2 theta. And here I written our statement 1. Now students, this 2 theta, according to condition wise, I just check out they cover to range sin inverse or not. So I just go to now condition part. Yes, this condition part I going to minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. So just putting their values. What is the x? Sin theta. And converting into theta. Yes, when sin is 1 by root 2, 45 degree. Here minus 45 and plus 45. But now I want to theta in terms of how many? 2 theta. So multiply by 2. Each term. Students, this necessary you check out. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is your range cover to our these questions. That's why I just going to from 1. What is y? Yes, y is a sin inverse sin 2 theta. It get only 2 theta. And students, theta already you know. Apply that. So y is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Now start derivative respect to x. What is derivative of sin inverse? Yes, 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. That much is your answer. Finally, I just show out 2 by under root 1 minus x square is your final answer for this numerical. Students, this sum for 3 marks and IMP question. Mostly students confuse here. So you just write down properly your conditions and that's your answer. For sin 2 theta, I translate into range. And my last answer is 2 by under root 1 minus x square. It is your derivative. Students, this same sum also I explained in second chapter. I think you know in the examples. Okay, now I am moving to next numerical. One more numerical, students. It is interesting. Y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. And data is same 0 to x to 1 by root 2. Students, here sec function given. So what is the reciprocal of sec? Cos. Yes, so I assumption here x is equal to only cos theta. And easily done. Suppose x is equal to cos theta. So what is theta? Cos inverse x, where necessary students, theta belongs to, I show out my range 0 to pi. It is a standard range. Now y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon 2, x is a cos square theta, minus 1, and I know that it is cos 2 theta. Yes students, it is your trigonometric identity. Now reciprocal of cos, how many? It is a sec 2 theta. And here I show out statement number 1. Now I go to condition. Students, compulsory you show out your condition 2 theta in range of sec inverse function. And what the condition? 0 less than x less than 1 by root 2. Students, if you condition not given in question, this derivative you direct derivative. But if you condition given, then go to our suggestion wise. Okay, so 0 less than, what is x? Yes, x is a cos theta. Students, in first and second quadrant, cos is a decreasing functions. So inequality change after applying our cos functions. So here cos inverse applying, inequality change, and here also inequality change. Again repeat, why inequality change? Cos is a decreasing function, that's why. So when a cos 0, yes, cos 0 is a 90 degree, and when a cos 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree is theta, but I want 2 theta. So 2 into pi by 2. Students, here multiply 2 into pi by 4. So what you getting? Yes, it is getting pi, and here getting pi by 2. Now rearrange the terms. Pi by 2 to pi, and where it is belonging? Yes students, here belonging our 0, here pi, and here pi by 2. My range is here belonging pi by 2 to pi, and I am sure they cover to range of 2 theta in sec inverse. These ranges belong that. That's why I just write down here y is equal to only 2 theta. 2 theta cover our pi by 2 to pi in range belonging. So without range belonging, students, you never write down this 2 theta. Now theta is what? This theta, cos inverse x. Up to that, our second chapter, inverse trigonometry, already students I explained you. Now differentiation with respect to x. So what is dy by dx? Yes, d by dx of 2 into cos inverse x. So it is derivative under root 1 minus x square, because cos inverse derivative how many? Minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. And here easily and happily, students, this numerical done. Draw the drawing compulsory, yeah? By the side by side of our conditions. Students, now here are our question 14 and 15 done, and our exercise 5.3 also done. Now I going to next new topic related our new exercise with new illustrations. Now students, I going ahead to example 29. Find out differentiation with respect to x, and there are 4 types of different questions given. So one by one I just start the sum. First of all, I first taking question y is equal to e raised to minus x, and differentiation with respect to x start. So students, here just dy by dx, d by dx of e raised to minus x, and the same as I just show out to dy by dx. Students, here just you take out, these are the one of the composite function, and only e raised to x derivative known, d dx of a raised to x, how many? Yes, it is a raised to x itself. So here a raised to itself, and differentiation pending to minus x by our chain rule. Yes students, now minus x derivative, just I operated by different way. So e raised to minus x, here minus 1. Finally done, your numerical is over. dy by dx minus 1, e raised to minus x, and that are this numerical is finished. But students, if you this question asking by different way for extra, then what to do? So I extra taking just like minus 10x. Maybe different product given. So same as differentiation if you start with respect to x. So d dx of e raised to minus 10x. I hope you understood. E raised to minus 10x same. And which derivative pending? Yes, minus 10x derivative pending. Because e derivative is e. So e raised to minus 10x same. Here minus 10 and x derivative 1. Finally I done minus 10 e raised to minus 10x. That's my different answer. Same as students, you tried extra at home. These are different questions. E raised to x, e raised to minus 5x, d raised to x, e raised to minus 3x, d dx, e raised to minus 25x. That like any. I just only show out to one more numericals. Now students, I going to second one. Same as the second questions. Here suggest y sine of log x where x is more than 0. Now differentiations, I just started. So students, here taking that this log x is one of our compositions. So differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx, I just taking here d dx of sine of log x. First of all students, read out to the sine derivative. How many? Yes, sine derivative is a cos, and these are the log x value as it is d dx of log x by our chain rule. Now log x derivative. Students, I think you know that what is the log x derivative? It is 1 by x. d dx of log x is 1 by x. And students, here done our questions. So finally just I show out my answer. dy by dx is a cos of log x by x. Yes students, this is happily done. But I going to one more sum for you extra. If you this question translate in the next level, cos of log x, I hope you understood. Here tan, cot, sec, cosec, cot, any asking. So what the dy by dx? Yes, d by dx of cos of log x. What is cos derivative? Minus sine. And log x derivative as it is. Now, same application students. Minus sine of log x same. And log x derivative 1 by x. So dy by dx here students, minus of sine log x by x. Here happily done. And you also try different extra questions for your self practice. Sine done, cos done. I write down tan, also cot, also sec, and lastly cosec. For your better practice, students, you just show out and calculate one by one that type functions. Then you build up your confidence in that level for derivative. Now after that second students, I start my third question. Students, now one more our interesting questions. Cos inverse of e raised to x. So here I am taking y and this data I just assume that it is your one of the compositions. So differentiation with respect to x, students. So what you get, dy by dx? Yes, dy by dx is a d dx of cos inverse e raised to x. So first of all, e raised to x derivative, students. You know that d dx of cos inverse x only and only minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Correct, no? Yes, same application here. Just apply dy by dx. It is considered it is a x. So minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Here e raised to x same. And which derivative pending? E raised to x by chain rule, students. It's very easy process. Now e raised to x derivative, I think you know it is minus same, 1 minus e raised to x whole square same, and here e raised to x derivative is e raised to x, this one, and this numerical, students, here happily done. But I explain here one more extra question for your better practice. Y is equal to, this time I write down tan inverse. Any one trigonometric function, students, you show out that here sine, here cos, then tan, either sine, other phi I give you in the extra practice. This time I explain you tan inverse e raised to x. Same applications, differentiations with respect to x, d dx of tan inverse e raised to x. Students, I hope you understood properly. Tan inverse derivative, this consider is a one of the function composition. So 1 by 1 plus x square same, and derivative pending for e raised to x as it is. So finally I did that 1 upon 1 plus e raised to 2x, and e raised to derivative is e raised to x. Yes, very easy. Now for more practice, you do itself for that type numericals. It is a sine inverse e raised to x, tan inverse done, cos inverse given. So I just write down cot inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse. That type you just try out, students, for more practice and build up your confidence in this derivative level. Now students, similarly I explain you question number 4. 29 illustration continue, fourth one. Our fourth question is y is equal to e raised to cos x. Here also differentiation with respect to x. So what you get, dy by dx? dy by dx of e raised to cos x same. Students, here you check out this cos x is a one of the composition function. So your derivative only and only first doing to e raised to, yes, e raised to derivative how many? E raised to, and pending for cos x by our chain rule. Yes, so dy by dx, finally I getting to e raised to cos x is as it is, and that value I just apply after that. So students, e raised to cos x is as it is, and derivative of cos x, I know that it is minus sin x. So dy by dx over here minus sin x, e raised to cos x, and here done for this numericals. But students, one more extra question I just show out for your better practice. Yes, anyone apply by extra y is equal to e raised to. Now this time I am taking cosec x, and here sin, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. I just one more taking. So dy by dx, ddx of e raised to cosec x. So e raised to derivative same, and which derivative pending? Cosec x pending by our chain rule. And now students, cosec x derivative, I hope you know that it is how many? Yes, minus cosec into cot, and here done happily. Students, this extra numerical, for more practice you just try another cos known, cosec done. So I just another practice to e raised to sin x, e raised to tan x, e raised to cot x, and e raised to sec x. For that level you also done. Very easy and very simple, students. Here our illustration 29 done. Now I start our exercise, new exercise. Yes. Now students, I start our exercise 5.4. Differentiation with respect to x asking. And first one, e raised to x by sin x. Students, here just you take out, it is u and that is v. So I go to our division rule, differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx. What is the division rule? Yes, in denominator square. In denominator. Now denominator d dx of numerator minus numerator d dx of our same the numerator. Again repeat, in denominator square, denominator d dx of numerator minus numerator d dx of denominator. Now just try going to our value sin x same. What is derivative of e raised to x? Yes, only e raised to x. Here, what is derivative of sin x? It is cos x. And that same is sin square x is as it is. Now students, you take out the common outside. What is common? E raised to x. My answer is sin x minus cos x by sin square x is same as. Students, here done our questions. But sometime in exam also asking the further solutions. So further is very easy. Can I take both of the separations? Yes. Sin x below sin square x. This is the first separation. And cos x by again the sin square x. This cancel. So only and only you just remaining how many? 1 by sin. Can I write down here cos x into 1 and here sin separate? Then another new answer is also, students, here valid. dy by dx e raised to x, it is cosec x. And here how many? There are two identity, one of the cot, one of the cosec. So this answer is also true and that is answer is also true. Now I give you for extra sum, for more practice, e raised to x same as. Students, I hope you understood that type different 5 question I just create for you. And you doing that answer wise here sign. First time cos, then cot, second cosec. So that type extra numerical you also practice for easily and easily doing this numerical, students. Our derivative exercise here first questions. Same as students, I going to next question number second. Y is equal to sin inverse x. So differentiation with respect to x. Here dy by dx. And here I just write down d dx of e raised to sin inverse x same as. Students, here you consider one of the composition function. So what is the dy by dx? E raised to derivative is e raised to same, and which derivative pending? Sin inverse x derivative pending by chain rule. Yes students, by chain rule. So what you get, dy by dx, e raised to x is same as, and your sin inverse derivative 1 upon under root 1 minus x square We are done. Yes, one more extra numericals I explain you for that types. You also trying that e raised to cos inverse x, either e raised to tan inverse x, e raised to cot inverse x, e raised to sec inverse x, either e raised to cosec inverse x. That type you just going students here 5 different questions and their answers are, I just show you direct answer. This answer is same as e raised to cos inverse x minus under root 1 minus x square. Yes, same as here this answer you getting y e raised to tan inverse x same by 1 plus x square. Same as this answer is also getting students e raised to minus tan inverse x. Sorry, here minus e raised to cot inverse x minus outside 1 plus x square. And this answer also students you getting e raised to sec inverse x modulus x under root x square minus 1. And at last e raised to cosec inverse x by modulus x under root x square minus 1, but minus carry outside. This minus is outside students. So these are the different 5 questions you follow up by this method, chain rule, and you get that answers. I only and only apply formula wise direct test students. Now students, after ending these questions, I go to next one, question number 3. Y is equal to e raised to x cube. Students, here also you just highlight these terms. That is here one of the compositions. So differentiation with respect to x. So what you get dy by dx? Yes, d by dx of e raised to x raised to 3 same is. So what the derivative for e raised to derivative same e raised to, and pending x raised to 3 is as it is by chain rule. Now finally students are done here e raised to x cube. But what is the x raised to 3 derivative? 3x raised to 3 minus 1 according to this formula, and x raised to n minus 1. I hope you know that. Yes, so finally answer 3x square. This I first write down, and e raised to x raised to 3. After that I showing. Now students, this 4 extra numerical for you. You make the practice that type questions. E raised to x raised to 5, maybe e raised to minus x raised to 10, e raised to x raised to 20, e raised to x raised to 25, etc. etc. Try to 4 to 5 numericals. Then you easily understood that type or derivative. Now I move into next questions. One more numerical students. It is a IMP4 board exam. This is a IMP sum for 3 marks. That type asking in the exam. First of all students, you just highlight these terms. I that taking tan inverse minus e raised to minus x is one of the compositions. So differentiation with respect to x. So what are you getting dy by dx? Yes, d by dx of sine with tan inverse with e raised to minus x. Again repeat, these are the compositions, and only I just take out sine derivative. How many? Yes, sine derivatives are cos, and this same is d dx. This as it is tan inverse of e raised to minus x by our chain rule. Students, say chain rule wise I just showing. Now this same is sine derivative cos, and now here asking two same questions. So cos same, tan inverse e raised to minus x same. Now tan inverse, here you suggest one of these composition functions students. So what is tan inverse derivative? 1 upon 1 plus x square. X you taking e raised to minus x, and derivative pending which derivative? e raised to minus x by chain rule. Students, I step by step explaining. Don't take direct because it is 3 marks question. So dy by dx. Here cos tan inverse e raised to minus x. This derivative over sine. Now here cot tan also done. Now e raised to x. This same is, and here e raised to derivative e raised to minus x and minus x derivative minus 1. Students, this equation I just further calculate. They getting the new answers. So dy by dx, I just only taking e raised to minus x with minus 1 by, these are the 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. The same as, and this data same as write down cos tan inverse e raised to minus x. Now students, here further calculate by the simplifications. Here minus 1 e raised to minus x. Can I write down here 1 by e raised to 2x? And this same is, so dy by dx, LCM taking e raised to minus x with e raised to 2x. This LCM you check out upper side, and here e raised to 2x plus 1, and this case is again same as. Now finally base same, then power additions. What you get? It is minus 1 with e raised to x. Here same is, and into here same cos tan inverse e raised to minus x. This answer, students, is also true, and this answer is also true. So you write down up to simplifications wise that type answers. Students, here I also given you extra sums for your better practice. These are sine, just I change cos, internal sine inverse, internal e raised to minus x. Also sine, internal sec inverse of e raised to minus x. You also start from chain, here cosec inverse x with e raised to minus x. Only 3 numericals extra I give you. That type different question also you students made out, and that easily done this question number, our question number 4. So students, after ending question number 4, our this part is here over, and further explanation students I explain you in the next video. Bye bye, see you.